Tower Honda of Longview. We're not just another car dealership, and here's why. We stand behind every vehicle we sell and are dedicated to helping our customers save time and money. All our pre-owned vehicles undergo a rigorous 182-point inspection and come with a 90-day warranty to ensure that you're getting a high-quality vehicle. Plus, you'll get 2 years of complimentary oil changes and tire rotations. We're part of a top 15 dealership group, offering an enormous selection of vehicles with access to inventory across more than 60 sister locations. You'll always get more for your trade and the best possible rates with us. We have an excellent relationship with the most reputable lenders. We have extended sales and service hours to ensure that we're available when you need us. Lastly, our state-of-the-art service facility and certified technicians will keep your vehicle running smoothly. And our exclusive car dock maintenance and membership program will help you save hundreds of dollars in the process. Tower Honda. We're not just another car dealership.